small pot planters ideas. Now these are the ideal plants for small pots. So let's see what are the plants that fit into small pots. These are some of the cactus and also some succulent plants that I'm showing you, and some of the snake plants too. So watch until the end to know all. Beautiful, isn't it? A beautiful planter with a beautiful plant. Look at this plant, beautiful and fits into a small planter. And here also there are some plants. Look at this plant, and here also another beautiful succulent plant. They fits into small planters. And look at these cacti plants. There are many more to go. And here also another pencil cactus.
අයියෝ. ඒක නම් මම වැටේට දාගන්න වෙන්නේ.